today we will discuss about how to balance an equation by an ion electric method. In earlier classes I have already uploaded the theories and all, and this how to balance these reactions, the notes will be given in the other section. So here see now how to balance an equation, redox reaction in terms of ion electric method. Means ion electric method means here the involvement of both ion means it may be plus or minus, and another is electron. The involvement of both ion and electron will be there. So I have here oil rig is written. Earlier I have uploaded what is oil rig. You can see in my videos and all. So here see one reactions is given MnO4 minus plus H plus Fe2 plus Mn2 plus Fe3 plus H2. One reaction is given. Here see I have done one oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. Now basically what is this? First we have to find out the oxidation number. So we have to find out the oxidation number of MnO4. Let's see here MnO4 minus. So we have to find the manganese one. So X, we have to find the manganese, that is why X plus the oxidation minus 2 into 4, since it is 4 is there, since minus 1 is there, that is why minus 1. So that is why X equal to how much? Plus 7. So see here the oxidation number of manganese here how much? Plus 7. So plus 7, but in the other side what is the oxidation number? It is plus 2. So here see from plus 7 it has converted to plus 2. So in terms of oil rig, oil means O4 oxidation, alpha loses, means oxidation loses electron, where in terms of reduction gains electron. So here see plus 5 to plus 2, what does it mean? It has gained electron, that is why it is a reduction half reaction. While in terms of plus 2 oxidation half reaction, here see from plus 2 it is converted to plus 3. Since it loses electron, that is why it is oxidation half reaction. Is that clear? Now why we have done this oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction? In the note I have given that always reduction half reaction is always written in the right hand side, while in terms of oxidation half reaction it is written in the left hand side. So here see we have written the oxidation half reaction, we have just written this reduction half reaction. So here see Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus, how much it loses? It loses 1 electron, so E minus. And in here you can see here 8 plus I have written 5 electron, 5 E minus I have written, 4 H2 I have written. How we have done? You see here MnO4 minus how much? Plus 7 to plus 2. Plus 7 to plus 2. How much it gains electron? 5 electron it gains electron. That is why we have written 5. Okay. Now when we have to balance the oxygen atom, here 4 oxygen atom is there. So in the other side we have to give 4 H2O plus molecule. That is why we have written the 4 H2O molecule. 4 oxygen molecule we have given. Since now see here 4 O molecule, here 4 molecule, it is balanced. Now when 4 H2O molecule I have written in the other side, in this side we have to convert it as double it H plus atom. So here 4 H2O, here 8 H plus atom. Have you understood? Means just you have converted it into double. 4 H2O means 8 plus. 2 H2O 4 H plus. 5 H2O 10 H plus. Just you double it. So in this way we have just balanced the half reactions. Now we have added both 1 and 2. We have numbered it as 1 number and 2 number. See, adding 1 and 2, just we have written the oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. Now what you have to do, always remember to balance an equation by an ion electron method, you have to remember that you have to cancel out the electron part. Now how will you cancel out the electron part? Just you take the LCM of this. So here 1, here 5, how much? 5. LCM is 5. That is why we have written 5. So 5 electron we have cancelled out. We have put this formula. We have add the net reaction. This is the net reaction. This is oxidation half reaction. This is reduction half reaction. And this is also known as redox reactions.